Do you live nearby?
Do you live nearby?
Live.
Live. Do you live nearby?
Do you live nearby?
Do you live nearby?
Yes.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, that's good. How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
Yeah, that's good. That's
How
good.
long have you been here?
Yeah, 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, that's good. Did you make an appointment?
Did you make an appointment?
So close. It's a hard one to connect, but you're doing good. Did you make an appointment?
Did you make an appointment?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. They are all working and busy.
They
Are
are
all working
working, busy,
and
and
busy.
busy.
They're all working.
They are working.
Yes,
They are working.
they're all working and busy.
They are working and busy.
Yes, yes. Pick.
Pick.
Pick one.
Pick one.
Yeah, pick one.
Pick one.
Yeah, one.
One.
Yeah, one.
One.
Yeah.
Pick one.
Yeah. Holiday.
Holiday.
Yes. Hotel.
Hotel.
Visa.
Visa.
V
V
E
E
sa.
sa.
Isa.
Isa. Visa.
Yes. Visa.
Visa.
Perfect. Number.
Number.
Yeah. Number.
Number.
Paper.
Paper.
Yes. Paper.
Paper.
Yeah. I took it.
I took it.
I took it.
I took it.
Yeah.
I took it.
Yeah. Saw.
Saw.
Yeah. I saw.
I saw.
Yeah. What does this mean?
What does this mean?
Yes. Exchange.
Exchange.
Yeah. Exchange.
Exchange.
Yeah. Rain.
Rain.
Check.
Check.
Raincheck.
Rain.
Ain.
N.
A.
A.
I.
A.
Ain.
N.
Yeah. Ain.
N.
Ain.
N.
A.
A.
Ray.
Ray.
Why
Rain.
not? Yes.
Rain.
Yes. That was perfect. So Ray.
Ray.
Mhm. Rain.
Rain.
Check.
Rain check.
Yes.
Rain check.
Yes. Rain check.
Rain check.
Take a rain check.
Take a rain check.
Yes.
Take a rain check.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.